What's up, everyone? Back again with another pressure washing video. Today the homeowner just requested I do just a driveway and the curb along the front of the road, and doesn't want me to do that. I guess they got some art stencils they're gonna do on there, so not doing the walkway to the front door. But it's a little chilly here today, but we're gonna get after it, see what we got going on. Got done with everything. Driveway came out really good. Just letting the post treatment dry up and packing up, getting out of here. Some oil stains, but homeowner was aware and knew this was gonna be tough to get out. But other than that, we were good to go. Till next time.